You don't care about getting hurt. But you know how I'll feel? I'll be devastated. And if you die, I will literally go out of my freaking mind.
I can feel your heart hanging in the air.
No super strength or samurai swords, but they stay alive.
He still likes her, doesn't he?
Yeah. Yeah, but it's different now.
It's buried in your
You should have seen the way he used to be around her.
Was it bad?
It was kind of obsessive, but not all bad. You know, Lydia used to pretend not to be smart. And Stiles was the only one who knew.
How?
He paid attention. He listened to him.
Coming like a hurricane, I take it in real slow. The world's spinning like a wave, fragile and composed. Though I am breaking down.
Come on, Lydia. You have to come back to us. Lydia, you have to wake up.
I came to school this morning and I was sure I was supposed to meet someone, but I couldn't remember who I was supposed to be.
It needs to be someone who can pull you back. Someone that has a strong connection to you. Kind of emotional tether. Lydia, you go with Stiles.
I've been looking for them all day. Whoever it is, I think I loved him.
You're gonna forget me.
I won't. I won't.
Sky burns red against your skin.
No. Come on, Lydia, wake up.
The world we know turns into wind.
I love you.
It's all we know. All we know. The hurricane.
Just remember I love you.
Watch it go. We stay the same.
When I kissed him, that's when it all changed. I never said it back. Please? Don't ruin it! Please don't! Please, Stiles, don't!
Watch it go. We stay the same. And
I didn't say that.
I have to.
I don't know how it can change. I don't know how it can change.